So I'm going to put a little bit under my brow bone here, because when we lighten our brow bone, just under where our arch is, and then dab, this is going to further just open up our eye and make our eye look just brighter and more lifted. And this is all about little tweaks you can do with your makeup that maybe take your makeup to the next level, but in a very natural way. You don't need loads of fancy eyeshadow, you just need a couple of little techniques. I'm going to add a little bit of this just in the middle of the lower lash line. And all that's going to do is make the whites of my eyes look whiter, and it's going to open up my eyes.
Get this eye-lifting eyeliner in my store, Beauty and the Boutique.